Morning guys, it's August 17th, 2021. This is where I got a call from a lady. I guess her mother just had bought a house and the AC's not working. So I guess she went over there the other day and the temperature was going up and up and up. So supposedly she shut it off, but I don't know. We're gonna go over there and supposedly the nurse's aide's gonna let me in or something. So we'll see. We'll check it out, see what's going on, see if the blower's working, and we'll try to get you some shots over there. Never a dull moment. It's always a journey. You never know what you're gonna find in half this stuff. I think she said it was an older system, so.
In 1/4 mile, turn left on Cornell Street.
Might be interesting. It might be interesting. Looks like it's been leaking for a while here. I got it on just fan. But look at this, goes right into the ground. That could be an issue. I'm gonna cut this and check this, see what's going on with this. Look at my tools. Anything in there. Just curious. Curious George here. Bet you it's low on gas. She said it stops, the fan stops working sometimes. It's probably. Bet you it's low on charge. It's dumping. Betcha. Hate these plugs. Struggle with them to get in. It's low enough. It's low. I'm gonna check this first. Check, see if it's blocked. Either the can's rotted or it's low on charge. Probably low on charge, I guarantee you that. She's a leaker. Oh man, she's a leaker. Alright, we'll check it outside. It's a little Trane unit, a little 17-inch wide. So could always go with another little 2-tonner on top of that or something, and a little house. That's off. I don't know what that 30 amps for. That's gonna be the dryer. AC's 10, 12, so it's 20. It's gotta be a 2-ton AC. We'll check it. The filter's nice and clean. That's not a problem. That's been cleaned. bet you that thing's flipping dirt. Nah, don't look bad, don't look dirty. Probably low on gas, guarantee you that. Can't stop a train, they say. '94. Yeehaw. Never like to see a unit leaking gas, no matter what kind it is. Yeah, see how we're at 50 there? That's too low. That's the problem. You're a leaker. She's a leaker. Look at our superheat at 51. See how high it is? We gotta give it a douche. We gotta give it a douche, mama. All right, let's give it some juice. Give it some R22. We'll give it a little bit of R22. We'll bring that subcooling up. Keep an eye on this 75. When that starts dropping, you know our charge will start coming back. This when this starts dropping. Something like this probably got a cap tube in it. Whole unit. 94. 27 years old. Now, if it was still iced up, this would be dropping. This would go really low, below freezing, if it was iced up when you're running it. So I know it's not iced up. Watch this, see if this starts dropping right here. See? Start dropping. Yeah, so we'll shut the charge off and see where we're at now. For 85, which is good on a suction for 22. This is going to continue to drop because the charge and the return, the suction's starting to come back cooler. That'll drop my superheat. My subcool looks good at 10. A lot better right there. Alright, so our suction's at 86, which is good. Before it was in the 40s, remember? Superheat's fine at 12. Our subcooling at 12 is fine. We're going to leave it right there. Gotta give it a little charge. I'm not saying the pan's not rotted downstairs, which it might be because it's an older unit. Time to tell on that. I'm gonna leave it right there. What do we got? We got a little 2 ton, that's what I thought. 2 tons.